I know it's been like a month since I posted my last YouTube video. I got super busy, but I promise you're gonna love this one. Today we're doing a spring outfits plus mini DIY video. I recently went through my closet and realized that I hated like half the stuff that was hanging up, so I thought it'd be fun to kind of like DIY some of my winter stuff into cute spring clothes. So this is kind of like some of the pile of clothes that I found that I want to rework in some way. And the first top I have is this top that my sister gave me. It literally looks like the knockoff of Gucci, but like Marshall style. But I noticed there were large stains on the top, so I kind of wanted to cut the top off so I can keep the rest. And literally my cat wanted to DIY with me. She loves DIYing with me, but the problem is she just sits on my clothes and it causes problems. And then to make it worse, when I try to move at her, she looks at me with those large eyes, making me feel bad. I know it's hard to see in the first scene, but these are the yellow stains that were on it and it was like really bad. So I want to cut it off, and my first thought was to turn it into a tube top. And I have this tube top I wear all the time, so I decided to go off of it but make it slightly bigger because I wanted it to be a little longer than this one because it's kind of short. And then I just cut around it, leaving some room for seam allowance, and literally just sewed it together, adding an elastic waistband to the top. And this is how it came out. Like, it's actually so cute. I feel like it makes me look more expensive because it looks like Gucci. But what's so funny is I showed this to someone and they told me that the name on this shirt is actually a pasta brand, so I think I'm just advertising some Italian pasta. This is such a good DIY if you have stains on the top or bottom of your shirts by turning them into just tube tops, because you can just cut them off. The second top I wanted to DIY was this H&M top I thrifted a while ago. I really love the way it looks, and I love the fact that it's sheer and like knit-like, but I don't like the way it looks on me, so I wanted to DIY it in some like weird way. And I noticed that if you cut along the lines, it actually creates a cute V-hem. So I went with this and was hoping it would be good. Since it's knit, I just zigzag stitched the edge of it so it wouldn't fray, but in the end it actually came out really cute. Like, I like the fact that there's a V in the front and the back, and it also goes up on the sides, which I like. And I also noticed that this would be so cute as like a beach cover up for when like summer starts. I also love sheer tops because they're super fun to layer, so I'm happy I got to add another one to my collection because I can add like cute tops under it. Like this one I literally just added like a sports bra under it because I like the fact that most of it is sheer, but I could also add like a lace top under it or something colorful to make it pop more. This skirt I absolutely loved when I first bought it, and then I realized it kind of looks like Little House on the Prairie, so I wanted to kind of get rid of this straight line that's like through the middle of it just because it's a little off to me. So I decided to move the straight line slightly up, which created more of like an asymmetrical hem, which I like, and I just cut off all the excess fabric and it created this really cute high-low skirt. And I'm a sucker for long skirts. Like, they literally make me feel like princesses when I wear it, so I love wearing them all the time with like little cute crop tops, especially for like spring and fall. My other design idea was actually putting a slit down the center of it, which I'm still like, should I have done that? I don't know, but I kind of like it because you can wear it two ways. You can also wear it sideways, which is the original design I like better, where it's more like asymmetrical sideways. I don't know, like, comment what you think, because I don't own any skirts like this, but I like it because it's a 2-in-1 skirt. This shirt I absolutely love because I love the baby pink, but the thing is I don't like the cut of this shirt. It's very like long and I just don't wear anything really like this, so I was thinking of cropping it and adding a little waistband to the end, but I decided to scratch that idea because I wanted to just crop it and keep the original like hemline, so I just brought it up a couple inches to turn it into like a super crop top. I was debating this for like an hour because I'm so indecisive, but I actually like the way it came out because I was debating if I should put the hemline on it or just completely like cut it off and make it super cropped. But I like it. And then I also added a mini rose in the center because I love mini roses, they're adorable. And the skirt I'm wearing I actually made too, and I was wondering if I should actually keep the slit in the front or the back because I've kind of been seeing skirts with slits in the front, like denim skirts, and I kind of like it that way. So comment if I should change my white denim skirt, even though it's not even like a part of this video. So the last DIY is actually a super easy one, and I really like this dress that's from Shein that my sister gave me, but it's super big, like it's a size large, so I decided to take off a bunch from the sides to make it fit me. So all I did was pin it to me like inside out, and I look like a fish with gills. I know I look ridiculous, but I just pinned it to my shape took it off, sewed it, and then just cut off all the excess, and then this is how it came out. It looks so cute. Like, I'm actually really happy that it came out like this. Thank God it's stretchy, because if it wasn't stretchy, I would not be able to do this. And I literally just wanted this dress for the side slit right here, because I love dresses with slits, and I don't really own any cute like long maxi dresses with slits, which is my favorite. This is the full look if I were to wear it for spring. And thank you so much for watching. Comment if you want a part 2 of me DIYing more of my clothes, because I have a lot of clothes I need to fix or get rid of, and I don't know what to do with it. So comment if you want me to do another video like this, and then don't forget to like and subscribe if you like fashion videos, sustainable fashion videos, and DIYs. And I'll see you in my next video.